everybody. What up, guys? It's Josh here with Deprived Productions back in Blender with the 12th modeling tutorial. We're going to talk about the Boolean Modifier today. We're actually going to be covering several modifiers over the next few Blender tutorials. I know we don't do them as frequent as UE4, but from here on out, we're going to be touching on different modifiers. So I want to talk about the Boolean one today because it's super cool. It's a way to cut little big old holes in your object, brah. Real simple with other objects. Now I got this cube right here. I have shift squiggly. You got to know about the shift squiggly. You got to be able to fly around. You can't be scared of that. But if I go over here to edit mode, press tab, go into edit mode, and I'm on faces here, right? Click the faces. Let's grab that one. Let's shift squiggly around here real quick. Hold shift and select that one. I got these two faces selected. I can press the let me find it right here. Press the I button, okay? And what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a little spot like that, okay? Boom, click. That's what you did. You press the I button, and it cuts a little spot in it right there. I can press X now and delete the faces. And you can see now that we create a little hole, we can go inside this box and scroll in it all shift squiggly. You know what I'm talking about? Now, we want to connect those lines, right? Well, that's simple. We can actually, where it's selected, where its face is selected, we go to lines, right, brah? Select that one, hold shift, select that one, press F, boom! We'll do that all day. We'll do it. Oh no, that's it. That's all you want to do though. But the point is, select this one and select that one. Oh, select this one, select that one, and then of course shift squiggly that bad baby, or however you want to move around. You can move around however you want. Anyway, select that line and select that line, and then we'll press F again. And now the point is, you know, it's a box with a box hole in it, bro. You know what I'm saying? You can go back to edit or to, object mode, and boom, you got a little box and box, and that's fine. You know what I'm saying? But let's right now immediately press X and delete that and start over. Shift A, mesh cube. I'm gonna size it up, make it a little big. Press the S key, hold it, size it up, shift squiggly so I can back up a little bit. And I think that's pretty good. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna add another object, and this right here, this little thing right here is your modifiers tab. And there's a ton of them. We're gonna talk about them in just a second. You can scroll this bad baby out here a little bit, get yourself some room, and if you add a modifier, there's gonna be tons of them. But before we do, we need another object. So check it out. While we're in here, shift A again, and let's add a cylinder. Now remember, we got cube right here. This one right here, that's the name of that one. We're gonna need the name, brah. We're gonna shift A, we're gonna mesh, go to cylinder, brah. That's what we need, and you can see it right there. Shift squiggly, but it's inside the box. Check it out. Let's rotate on the Y about 90 degrees, okay? And then let's size it on the X. You know what I'm talking about? Just bring it out a little bit like that, brah. You can't be scared. Boom, we got a tube going through the box, but we're gonna make that tube cut inside of the box and then create just one mesh out of all that. Let me explain what I'm talking about. I've got the cube selected all day, every day. You gotta add modifiers. And again, we're gonna talk about a lot of these. They're super cool, and on Blender 2.8, it's so easy to access them. You know what? It was easy on Blender 2.79, but that don't matter. Add a modifier, go down to Boolean, brah. Now the thing is, it's set to difference. There's a lot of options here, and we'll talk about that later. But right now, I just want to show you how to cut a hole in this mesh. So if it's set to difference, and then I go to the object and make sure the cylinder is the difference, and I apply it, we're done. You're like, I don't get it. But if I grab this cylinder now, okay? And let's say I move it out of the way. Oh, I'm going to delete that cylinder. X, get rid of it, shift squiggly. And now I can fly around in my box with a ball in it. Well, it's not a ball. Well, a tube got shoved in it. It got shoved inside of it, throughout of it. You know what? Whatever. The point is, dude, it's cool what you can do. Do it again. Go grab this bad baby, X, delete, Shift A, add another cube real quick. Check this out. You can size it up, and we can do it like this. Check it out. We can let's size up a little bit bigger. Let's size up pretty big, and then we'll immediately do the same thing. Shift A. You could have all kind of cylinders go through it. And check out how you could do it. I could grab another cylinder. Right. I got him right here. We got to rotate it on the Y again. Okay. Rotate 90, and then we need to shift squiggly so we can see. Let's size it on the, oh no, you got to size it only on the X. So press S and then X. So now we got this tube coming out of here, right? Let's grab it on the Z 1.5, okay? And then grab it again on the Y 1.5, okay? There she is. Well, now here's what we're going to do. I want you to hold shift and press D. And then immediately, before you press the mouse, press G and G3? Oh no, you gotta press GY -3. But we gotta copy and paste it again, brah. See, I done undid it. If you undo it, you gotta press Shift D. Don't press anything else. You duplicated it. And then press GY -3. Okay, you see what we did there? Now we got two of these bad babies. I'm gonna select them both. I selected that, hold Shift, select again, Shift D. Don't touch the mouse. Grab Y. No. Oh no, what have I done? It's too late. All right, hold on. We got to do it again, brah. Shift D. grab on the Z, brah. Grab on the Z, -3. Now I got these 4 balls. Oh, wait. I got these 4 tubes. You know what I'm talking about? They're sticking out of my box. But what I can do is I can grab it, hold shift, and then press Control J. Wait. Boom, son. Now check it out. If you go back into edit mode, you can tell that this is all one model now, which means I can move it freely. I can grab it, just press the G button and move it around. Control Z, keep it there. But the point is now I can get my box. I got my modifiers tab. Hit the modifier. Boolean. It's set to difference. Set it to the cylinder. It's set to something else, whatever. Apply, right? We're done. Grab the cylinder, get rid of it, press the delete key, and boom, man, I got a box with all kind of holes in it. You know what I'm saying? So just something super simple. I wanted to show you guys how easy it is to do cool stuff like that. It's obviously not smoothed out. We kept it real simple. But now we got a box. We cut these holes in it, bro. You could add 4 more through the side and make it look all crazy. But think about how easy that was, guys. I literally just Shift A, added a box. You know what I'm saying? Shift A, added a box. Get rid of that one. And then I Shift A, added a cylinder. And then I make them work together. And they're not the right size, but you know what I'm doing here. And you could do something like this. Check it out. See what I've done? The cylinder's too big. I could still do it. And watch what it'll do. Grab the box, go to modifier, go to Boolean, it's set to difference, set it to the cylinder, apply, get rid of the cylinder, and you've got this freaking sweet ass block that's all broken. But the point is, think about how simple it is to subtract another mesh outside of another mesh. So you're trying to make a hole in your box or your ball or whatever you want to do. It's that simple, guys. We're going to start talking about some of these modifiers. There's so many of them, and some of them are super, super cool. So over time, when we cover Blender from here on out, we're going to talk about them. We haven't talked about any of them, and they're so neat, and they're so easy to get to. Blender 2.8 has done an awesome job. But guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate you. We'll be back in UE4 in just a couple days. I'll be right back. We're back at it. Hope everybody's staying safe in 2020. It's obviously on its period. But I hope you guys are doing good. Stay safe. Stay clean. Stay smart. Okay, stay just. Do the right thing. You know what I'm talking about? I love you guys. I miss you guys. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel, Deprived Productions. We got tons of tutorials and tons of music. Free music to purchase if you want to support us. Go to Facebook. Find Deprived on Bandcamp and Deprived on SoundCloud all day. But guys, thanks for watching. Seriously, I love you. I miss you. I know it's been a week, but 2020 is crazy, brah. Okay? I'm trying to relax. I'm scared. Okay? I'm big scared. Okay? Love you. Miss you. Peace.